This is what we're going to draw. Step 1. Sketch a plan in pencil. So I'm going to start by penciling in and draw this very, very gently. A kind of a head shape like that. And we want to have the helmet is just slightly bigger. And that's going to come 1, 2, 3, something like that. And we'll have a kind of ear guards and cheek guards, aren't they, really? And we're going to want to have the face sticking out like that. We've got the shoulders sticking out there, and then that wants to come across there and up, and pretty much to where that shoulder is, which is going to come down and up. So that is the top hand, and that's the bottom hand. And we're going to want to see the bat, kind of something like that. And then we've got the body just coming out to there, and a leg coming down to there, and another leg coming down to there, which is kind of bending back, something like that. So we can think where the pads are going to be like that, and these pads are going to be kind of a bit weird, and are going to see a strange angle on those pads, I think, and that'll be where the shoes are. We're going to want the body coming down like that with its sort of shirt, and then these are going to be the legs, and we're going to see something like that. This video is based on my how to draw 20 stickman cricket poses. If you want to draw lots more stuff, click the subscribe button right now and make sure you ring the bell for notifications so you know when I make new drawing videos. See you next time. Step 2. Draw in ink. So I'm going to draw the helmet first, which is going to come out there, and we'll draw those little guards and in a little bit, and then we're going to have the the guard bits that are sort of going in like that. And I'm just going to put dots for the eyes and the nose, and we're going to see a little bit of the collar. And let's take that up to there, and I think we're going to have going to sort of see the top of the shirt sleeve there, and that'll be the elbow, which will come more into a sort of a point, and that's a bit bigger. And let's draw the end of the bat there, so that we can have the thumb, and then the this is the lower, this is that arm, which is sort of coming back there. Let's draw that shirt in there, so that's coming up down to there, and we're going to want to see the sleeve like that. And we got this sort of great big glove, enormous gloves that they do have. And cricket bats are such a weird kind of shape, aren't they? We'll draw something like that. And then we're going to want to have sort of a bit of a wiggling for sort of the folds and creases in the shirt there. And let's draw this pad and a couple of bits like that, and we're going to want to have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this will come down to there, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we'll have the shoe and the shoe, and then that will sort of come up there. Bring that forward, and that there like that, and bring that down there. Now here we're going to bring that over the shoe, and the shoe is just a kind of a triangle-y kind of shape really, and that will be there. We're going to want to have the curves there for those two bits, and then the pad will be something like that, and then this will be all strapped in around the back. Let's have some whoosh lines. Step 3. Erase the pencil lines. Yes, when you're sure the ink is dry, erase those pencil lines. And it's a lot easier to do if you didn't press too hard when you were drawing. Step 4. Add the finishing touches. I'm just going to add a little bit of shade under there, a little bit of shade under there. I think we might have a bit of shade in there, and under there I'm going to put a little bit of shading on the hat around there, maybe on the trousers there, or the pants, whatever you want to call them. In England we call them trousers. And we'll have some grass here, because we know this is cricket and it's played on grass. And there you go, how to draw a cricket batsman. Thanks for watching, and make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy, and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos. And in the meantime, keep drawing, practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.